So if you stop working today, would your pay stop also? That's a question. Like most of us, we go to work, we work hard, we get paid, and we do it all over again. That's what I did. I just thought I was putting away a nice nest egg, saving, ended up spending some of it, and ended up in a predicament to where now I didn't have enough. I was stressed to the point that it put me in the hospital. But I did something about it. So my question to you today is not, are you ready? Are you saying I'm ready? But what are you going to do about your situation? Are you going to continue the same way you've been? Or are you going to do something about it? It's time out for passing up opportunity after opportunity and then saying, I should have. But say, I am. I'll share the information I have for you. And this could change your life if you wanted to, if you let it. Say I'm ready in the comments and I'll send it right to you. Bye.